All right, so I was using Google Chrome for such a long time and I don't like it for some personal perspective. So this time when I try to open it, let's say open this one, and then if I go to my Chrome, and let's say I want to search something, okay? So we're going to search, let's say something like that, okay? This time it showed in Google, okay? As you can see, it shows Google search. That's all fine. But when I try from an account, this post office, something like that. Yeah. So when I search some sort of stuff, okay, it straight away takes me to Microsoft Bing bar. So the search that came up, it's not from Google side, it's from Microsoft Bing on the left hand side, as you can see. Okay. That by default, as I can remember, I put it on Google. I did not change it. However, Google Chrome gives you the privilege to change the search engine. Okay. Either you can choose Yahoo, any other site. Okay. All the search engine, you can just choose whatever you like. So they don't lock you out to Google. But sometimes what happens is even without your consent, that could change. That could change because of third-party application that you recently installed to your computer, or that could be something else. Okay. So today in this video, we're going to find out why it happened and how to resolve. All right. So to solve this problem, we can do a few things. Let's go for easy one. So when your Google Chrome get affected with bad extensions or different sort of push-in search engine, click in here, as you can see on the right hand side, 3 dots. Straight away go back to settings or extensions. On extensions, you need to check if there is anything new that you can't recognize. Okay, so let's say you installed, for myself, I installed all those. I know all of them. If you don't know any one of them, if you have any doubt, just remove it. For example, let's do this. And if you find anything suspicious, you can report it. But I'm going to remove it. It's gone. So this is the way you can clear your bad extensions. Once it's done, if you don't find anything unusual, then again go back to 3 dots, and then you can go to settings, the bottom second one. Once you get into the settings, you can change a couple of things, right? Let's go to search engine, first one. And on the search engine, Google Chrome gives you many options. If you see whatever in here, that's going to be your primary search engine. So it shows Google, means Google is the search engine. Even it shows when I search something in Bing bar. So if you see something not Google or different than this, you can click here and you can choose. Because of I resetted this one, it doesn't show any other option. Normally you're going to find here, let's say Yahoo, Bing, and other stuff. Okay, this is the things that you can do here. And then we can go to privacy and security, which is that option on the left hand side. Click here and you can give it a check. Check now. So what would happen? Chrome can help keep you safe from data breaches, bad extension, and more. So you can click here, check now, and it can check it out for you. If something is not normal, it's going to tell you. At the same time, it's going to up to date it, and it's going to turn on the standard protection. As you can see, the safe browsing, those things. Also, you can clear site settings, browsing data, and other stuff. It depends which way you want to do that. Okay. The last option for this browser, we can go to reset settings. This is the one. Once you click in here, it's going to restore it. So restore settings to their original default. Let's click in here. Fine. It restored. You might going to lose some information, delete cookies and other temporary site data, disable extension, reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts. You see, those are absolutely fine. Now let's say it doesn't resolve even after done all those things. Okay, what you should do. That's what I'm going to show you now. Okay, it might going to work for you, might not, but it's always worth it to give it a try. Okay, so let's do that. All right, so as last option, we're going to install iObit uninstaller. This is a piece of software that you can download free of cost and clear many junks from your browser, even from your operating system. So once it downloaded, then we're not going to get the pro version. This is just the demo version, but that should work. So let's open it up, install it, and then we'll check how it does work. Hopefully that would help us to remove the Bing from Google search. All right, so that installed already. As you can see, the browser extension that we are checking, all of them. If you find anything that you can't recognize, that would be best to delete it. As you can see, I clicked on remove and it's going to be cleared off from the registry. So one by one, you need to do that. And you can do multiple. You can choose, you can select all of them and just remove it within a click. That's how simple it is to use. So I'm just checking all of them one by one. We don't need anything from here, but we can give it a check free of cost. We don't need to activate, just to check the result if there is any problem. By the way, all of them is not recommended. We don't need to get the pro version. We can just check. I just want to check it. What is the changes? What is the threat in here? Those are absolutely fine. We don't need to do anything here. I think that should resolve the issue already because we cleared off everything. Just checking. Back into program just to check if there is anything that I don't know. All of them I can recognize because those are my apps that I installed myself. So nothing suspicious from here, so it should resolve the issue. Now let's give it a check and see what happened. anything. Now it shows from Google. Before anything I search, most of the time it is to come from Bing. Does not matter which account. As you can see, this time I'm trying my personal one. Before also I tried in my different business one. Both of them had same problem. So that's how you can resolve the problem. Let me know how did you like it, if it does resolve, or if you know any other better option. Please don't forget to leave it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.